Back 2019, when Porsche Taycan was launched, it changed the paradigm. Porsche Taycan set the new standards. When you drive Taycan, you are in your own bubble. There is you and the rest of the traffic. When second Taycan was launched, we were thinking quite a while, how do we want to launch? And then we thought that we combine state of the art of engineering as a car and state of the art of engineering as a place, and it's a perfect combination to celebrate new Porsche Taycan, and that's why this wonderful event happened in Carstadt.
For the event team, the first most important thing is to get to know the car inside and out, and we definitely need to understand the essence of Porsche Taycan.
As it turned out, immediately when I stepped into the car, was that it's different experience. I really felt like, oh, I could do everything. Like the music should have strength and movement forward in it, but it shouldn't overplay it. You know, it's you can feel there's potential for explosion, but it doesn't necessarily have to happen right in the beginning, and that's kind of how I wrote the track as well, more like a cinematic kind of way. So it starts with a lot of suspension and it kind of steadily grows, and you feel like it definitely has the potential to explode and go into that overdrive or overfeel part in the music. So for me, it kind of symbolized the feeling I got from Taycan as well.
There are many talented people in the world, and of course it's elementary that we put together the best team for this project. Composers, chefs, technicians, etc. The tricky part is how to synchronize all the effort of all these talented people.
I wrote like 10 ideas actually, because I really felt I need to get the feeling right with this one. And during that time when I was writing these 10 demos, I sometimes was in contact with Marco and Magnus, the producer, and kind of like getting some little feedback. They were like, oh, you can do everything you want, but which was kind of initially actually stressful, because I was like, when you can do everything you want, it's the hardest thing to choose one.
What we have established here is more or less like a equivalent to a music festival. That means that this incredible venue that is not used as a venue space at all is turned into something magical just for this evening and just for these guests.
Tons of tasks and emails and months of work finally becomes reality now.
What we have here is a set of system of 50 speakers. We are using powerful lasers. We have put out the most massive projectors, a high-pitch LED screen, more than 100 units of kabuki system, nearly 200 fixtures of lights. We are also using flying stages for the musical artists and hydraulic automation movements for the cars. Setup and programming and rehearsals have lasted now for 3 days. There were about 30 people who were working behind the scene to make it all happen during the event.
We can't wait to see and feel it already.